Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. Today's topic is what is IFRS 15. I'm trying to give you a very brief introduction of that, and so you don't have to worry about this. If you want to go for detail, you may consult the other videos. But what is IFRS? IFRS 15 is a revenue recognition IFRS, which gives you the guidelines that how should you recognize your revenue, and it merges other IFRS as well. There are 5 criteria where you have to recognize your revenue, and IFRS 15 has given the clear guideline for these IFRS for these five things. The first thing is identify the contract with the customer. You have to identify if the contract is there, then you can recognize this revenue, otherwise you can't. The second criteria is identifying the performance obligation. What is performance obligation? That what you have to perform for that contract, and it has to be clearly mentioned in the contract. Third one is determine the pricing, that what are the prices or transfer prices, that okay, up to that level you charge this, and up to that level you charge this, so it has to be very clearly mentioned. The third thing is that allocate this transfer pricing to the performance obligation, as I mentioned, that which stage you are going to identify the revenue, and each category you have to clearly identify. Last but not the least is recognize revenue as an entity satisfies a performance obligation. So you have to recognize when the performance is done, and you have to book this. No worries that you have not if you have received the money or not, that is a separate question, but you have to recognize this revenue. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you have not. Keep watching my videos till the next video. Take care. Bye bye.